Hey everyone, welcome back to the AjidVerse. Today we are checking out something I've been really curious about, the new Meta AI glasses. I've been wanting to try this for a while, especially because I'm a huge fan of tech that actually integrates into everyday life. So today we are going to keep it simple. We are going to open the box, see exactly what comes with them, take a first look at the glasses and get them ready to use. Alright, enough talking, let's open these up. Okay, first impression. The packaging is actually pretty clean. Let's get this open. And here we go. The first thing you get is the charging case, and honestly, it immediately reminds me of the kind of case that you expect from a pair of premium smart glasses. It has that compact, minimal design, and you can already see the charging indicator here. Alright, here are the glasses. Okay, these actually look more like a normal glasses than I expected. That's probably one of the things I like most about the design. If you didn't know these were smart glasses, they wouldn't immediately look like some crazy piece of futuristic hardware. You got the Meta branding here and all the technology is built into the frame pretty discreetly. So that's the unboxing and first look at the Meta AI glasses. The hardware looks really promising, the case is nicely designed, and I'm particularly interested to see how well the AI features actually work in the everyday situations. So let's get them connected and see what happens. Thank you for watching, see you in the next one.